What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new week of Friday Fabric Finds, the week of November 22nd, 2024. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist here.
And my name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
What this series is we go through the Friday newsletter with y'all and show all the fabric in person. So let's see what we have this week.
First thing we have to talk about is the Friday bundle. This is the return of our annual plaid bundle called the Mad for Christmas Plaid Fat Quarter Bundle. This includes patterns of plaids and colors of red, green, cream, and black. So make sure to not get checked off Santa's list and check out our Mad for Christmas Fat Quarter Bundle.
First collection we have for y'all is from Banyan Batiks, which is the faux finish batiks. We have the full collection of yardage and also the Farmer's Stars and Stripes kits. This collection has patterns such as floral overlays, daisies, tiles, hexagrids, and colors of lights at night, red riot, sunset ray, indigo, berry cocktail, and dark red. So make sure to light up your stash with faux finish batiks.
Next group we have for you guys is Morning Blooms from Wilmington. This features the full collection yardage, 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, the Morning Blooms kits, as well as the Hopscotch kits. This beautiful, gorgeous collection features patterns such as florals, butterflies, stripes, watercolor textures, a sampler print, and a repeating stripe in colors of purple, blue, cream, and white. So make sure to flutter into beauty with Morning Blooms.
Next collection we have for y'all is Calico Cowgirls from Poppie Cotton. We have the full collection of yardage, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, and the boot scootin' boogie kits.
The way you did that, I loved it. Boot scootin' boogie.
Just want to note that the quilt kits are being restocked and they will be available in 2 weeks. This collection has patterns such as florals, vines, strawberries, paisleys, and spurs. The colors for this collection are red, pink, coral, fuchsia, yellow, teal, and purple. Whole lot going on in this collection. So make sure to lasso your creativity with Calico Cowgirls.
Next, we have a very vibrant and colorful collection called Kaleidoscope from Windham. This features the full collection yardage as well as Kaleido Star quilt kits.
Whoa.
This very fun collection features patterns of parades, rainbow cakes, wavelengths, troves, checkerboard, and stripes in very vibrant and stunning colors. So make sure to color outside the lines with Kaleidoscope.
Next for y'all is we have a kit that's on sale right now, and it's the Tail Feathers Quilt Kits from Riley Blake. The original price of this kit is $123.96, but we currently have it on sale for $74.96. Big old sale on that thing. So make sure to fly into savings with our Tail Feathers kit.
Buzz, we have a group called Bug Bliss.
Buzz.
I can't even get it out. I tried so hard not to laugh. Buzz, we have a group called Bug Bliss from Studio E. This features the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, and garden dance kits. This features patterns such as caterpillars, butterflies, ladybugs, snails, paisleys, leaves, stripes, and a crazy quilt print in colors of blue, green, red, and some pinks, oranges, and browns. So make sure to buzz on over to our website and check out Bug Bliss.
Buzz. Next collection we have for y'all is from Northcott. It is called From Paris with Love. We have the full collection of yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. So the patterns for this collection are Paris scenes, florals, butterflies, signs, scrolls, and text. It's a very, very beautiful collection in colors such as black, white, accents of pink, green, and blue. So we hope you fall in love with this collection from Paris with Love from Northcott.
As always, we have our November bargains to talk about. This is a page on our website where we include sale items such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else is included. So make sure to check daily because we update this every single day.
Of course, now we have the comment of the week. So this is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. And this week's comment of the week is from YouTube, and it is from Quilt Meets World. This is somebody that does our subscription box unboxings. Ooh. So thank you very much for doing that. But they said, "Are you not going to talk about the elephant in the room? Justin's rocking a sweet stash. He most definitely is. I think I approve of it. I think it looks really good. He's trying out for the next season of Yellowstone, okay?
I am, yeah. Don't tell anyone, though. It's a secret. But it's the final season, actually. And Kevin Costner isn't even going to be in it.
That's crazy. And also just want to say thank you for commenting and thank you for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. All of that stuff so much helps us out. Please leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week next week. And be sure to follow us on social media. The links will be down below. And with all that being said, we hope you guys have a fantastic week. And we'll see you next week. Bye.